Hi, I'm Jacqueline Samira, co-founder and CEO of Austin Software.
Hi, I'm Frank Licea, co-founder and CTO of Austin Software. From the outside, it seems like it's a little bit of a recruiting agency or software factory or a staff augmentation factory. But actually what it is it's a community of software developers that are interested in working directly on the teams or engineering departments from the US that are expanding in Latin America. Our headquarters are in Austin, Texas, and our biggest office is in Montevideo, Uruguay. Although we have more offices all the time, anywhere where we have 5 or more software developers or teammates working together, we provide them an office. And so that means that we've got satellite offices in Buenos Aires, Santiago, Medellin, Bogota, even in Mexico and Mexico City. Wherever we have teammates and they need a place to collaborate, we provide them with that support. So I think the biggest difference between us and our agencies is that we don't accept fixed bid contracts. So companies don't come to us with mock-ups and say, how long does it take to build this and how much will it cost? In fact, if they come to us, we gladly send them somewhere else because that's not the way that we work. We work with departments that are interested in full-time employees joining their teams. And then we're very transparent about how everybody's getting paid so that it feels like a true partnership. The other difference is that our teammates are fully integrated into those product teams. As an example, we even have teammates who have helped directly pitch investors and come out of a pitch meeting jumping up and down because they helped to raise $500,000 together. That kind of team and that kind of collaboration is impossible in the traditional factory model, but it is entirely what we celebrate and how we work at Austin Software.
So one of the things that we set out to do when we started Austin Software was focus on the well-being of the developer. So our whole ethos is developer first. It's everything we think of. Every day, Frank and I wake up, how can we make the lives better? How can we support them more? What are the things that we can do?
I think one of the most important benefits that we provide beyond the amazing benefits that we have for equipment, for medical, for health and gym, is actually the level of mentorship and guidance that we can tap into from the major tech hubs in the United States, from some of the world's best product teams. And that is a benefit that's available to all of our teammates to make sure that they can achieve their career goals beyond the standard perks and snacks and so on. I think the thing that frustrates me the most when developing an environment for developers to do creative work is when companies have poorly run projects that are stressful with unrealistic deadlines or budgets, but try to make it okay by providing very superficial benefits like a bowling alley in the office or a table tennis or a PlayStation in the office. Those things are important to have and they show some value for sure. But in order for developers to really do sustainable, great quality work and feel like their work is meaningful, there needs to be care about the well-being of the developer in terms of, do they have say on their teams? Do they feel like they have influence on the teams that they're working with? Do they feel like they're being listened to? Are they being treated like contractors or freelancers? Because that's not the standard that we hold our partners to. So more than just those perks and benefits, for us, investing in the well-being, keeping our partners accountable, providing the kinds of mentorship is really what it means to keep a developer happy, productive, and doing some of the best work of their life.
Right now, we're just focused on placing talented individuals with amazing opportunities in the United States. But the way that I look at it is I don't want to help people now for the next 2 years or the next 4 years. I want to help them along their entire journey for their entire career. So what does that mean? Maybe this particular individual wants to be an entrepreneur, or maybe they want to be a leader at a Fortune 500 company, or maybe they want to go into a different field altogether. So the way that I see Austin Software is the foundation, not only for the well-being of the developer, but for the entire support structure for their entire career.